Hello, I'm Devora Long of the BBC. I'm sorry Fiona can't be with you tonight because she's doing question time, but I'm here to help you understand coughs, coronavirus and coughs, because a cough is one of the symptoms that you might have coronavirus. Just might, because of a cough. Cough might be a sign of coronavirus and it might not. But what are the differences between a tickle, a little tickle in the throat, a cough, and a cough, a long cough, a continuous cough that might suggest that you have COVID-19. And so I have today in the studio invited an actor, newly qualified, this is his first time on national television, an actor from the Royal Academy of Dramatic art. So you know you're going to get your stuff. This is a person from RADA, an actor, not an actress. No, that's just a bit of fluff. No, I'm not a bit of fluff. I'm an actor, so take me seriously. I've just qualified from the Royal Academy of Dramatic Art, and I'm here, she's here, to help you understand the different type of coughs there are. So, let's start with a tickle. Do you know what a tickle is? This is a tickle. Let me just repeat that again. And again. You just got a little tickle in the throat. You're just trying to clear it there. So we go again. Then we have a cough. Again. Then we have a continuous cough. Well, I don't know what's the difference. What does it mean by continuous? It means ongoing. Ongoing, just walk along that road and go along right to the end. Continue along that road. It's ongoing, it's going on. Go up that road. You know what it's like when somebody's getting on your nerves and you say, she's getting on my nerves because she's going on and on and on about it. Right? She's continuing, she's going on and on. She's going on and on about it. She's continuing, she's going on and on. So we're talking about an ongoing cough, a continuous cough. Well, what is it? Well, Suzanne is here going to demonstrate now. So we want to just recap again. We've got a tickle. Again. Got a cough. And then we've got the continuous cough, the hacking cough, the ongoing cough, the going on and on cough. I hope this has been helpful. If you have a cough like the third demonstrated cough, then do ring 111. Now repeat, ring 111 for further advice. And this has been helpful, very helpful, because we are very helpful at the BBC. This has been a helpful information broadcast for you, our viewers, because we want you to know how great we are. And so that's all for the moment.